These are the parking elevators here at the Hyatt Hotel, Manchester Grand Hyatt Hotel in San Diego, California. It's a very low call button. These are hydraulic, are you kidding? This is a 7-story hydraulic, guys. All right, here we go. We're stopping on lobby. You going up?
Yes.
Which one?
5. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Classic levels, very nice. These are actually really nice elevators. I see it's the Manchester Grand Hyatt. And I hear a train coming. I don't know if you can see it through here, but nope. I can hear a train though. Actually, tracks are over there anyway. Let's see. Indicator changes a lot like a shimmer. And we're stopping on L. Going down? This is going down.
No, we're going 3.
This is going down though.
Okay. I think we should just stay on.
We're gonna end it on 6. Here we go. Hopefully not stop. No. Okay, we'll end it here.
That reminds me a little bit of Speed Channel, you know what I mean? Kind of simple. Like, he doesn't take much. He doesn't take much.
There it goes. There's that. All right, that'll be it.